In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a section in Microsoft Forms. This process can streamline your surveys or quizzes, making them easier to navigate and manage. Now, let's get started with the first step. Open your browser and search for Microsoft Forms. You can use any web browser of your choice, such as Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. Once the search results appear, look for the official Microsoft Forms link. This ensures that you are accessing the correct site and not a third-party version. This is important because it keeps your account secure and ensures you have the most updated features. Once you find the correct link, click on it to proceed. Next, click the correct link and log in if prompted. If you are not already logged into your Microsoft account, you will be asked to enter your credentials. This typically involves typing in your email and password associated with your Microsoft account. If you don't have an account, you can create one for free. Logging in allows you to access your previous forms and create new ones. After logging in, you will be directed to your Microsoft Forms dashboard. Now, open your survey or quiz on Microsoft Forms. You will see a list of your existing forms on the dashboard. Click on the specific survey or quiz you want to edit. This step is where you will make the necessary changes to your form. It is essential to ensure you are editing the correct form, as changes can affect your data collection. Once you have opened your form, you are ready to move on to the next step. Scroll through your form layout to find the specific section banner block you want to remove. The section banner will typically be titled something like Section 2, Customer Demographics. Take your time to locate it, as this is the section you intend to delete. Identifying the right section is crucial because deleting the wrong one could lead to loss of important data. Once you find the section you want to remove, you are ready to activate it. Left-click directly on the section header text box to activate it. This action allows you to interact with the section and access the options you need to delete it. By clicking on the header, you are indicating to Microsoft Forms that this is the section you wish to modify. This step is essential as it helps you focus on the correct area of your form. With the section activated, you can now access the deletion options. Click the three horizontal dots located in the top right corner of that active section block card. This icon represents additional options available for that section. Clicking on these dots will open a drop-down menu, providing you with various actions you can take regarding the section. This step is important because it gives you access to the tools needed for editing your form. Select one of the two deletion options from the drop-down menu depending on your goal. You will see options such as Just Section or Section and Questions. Choosing the right option is critical to achieving the desired outcome for your survey. Each option serves a different purpose, and understanding them will help you manage your form effectively. Just Section. This removes the page divider line and section header banner, safely shifting all the underlying questions into the preceding section without deleting them. This option is helpful if you want to keep your questions but simply reorganize them. It provides flexibility in your form structure. Section and Questions. This completely purges the section title block and permanently deletes every single question nested underneath it from your form. Use this option with caution, as it will erase all associated questions for that section. Making a choice here will significantly impact your form's content. Now you are equipped with the knowledge to delete sections in Microsoft Forms efficiently. Thank you for watching, and happy form building.